Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent a specific application to display notifications on the lock screen, or how to hide this notification in Realme 14 Pro phone. First, settings. Then in settings we are looking for notifications and quick settings menu, and here we have the lock screen option. And we can disable all notifications, or we can look for the application that we want to for example, prevent to show on the lock screen. Let's say Meet. The Meet application now won't show notifications on the lock screen. And let's say Download Manager too. These are now forbidden. And we can enable them again using these switches. Pretty simple. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.